Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss what is the use of to map chatbot responses on the BotPenguin platform. You will find this option while you are creating a custom attribute. So firstly, let's go to the Create Custom Attribute section. Once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you will find different options. You have to go to the Settings option. Here, you'll find different subsection. To create custom attributes to map chatbot responses, you have to stay on the custom attribute section. And here, you'll find the add attribute button. Just click on that. As you can see, you have two options here, to save API responses and to map chatbot responses. To map chatbot responses option is used to assign specific chatbot responses to custom attributes. It ensures that certain chatbot generated responses can be stored for later use in the conversation or for analytics purposes. So you have to enter a unique attribute key here and a unique attribute name. For the demo purpose, I am entering user, and then you have to select the bot for which you want to collect the responses. I am selecting this bot for the demo purpose. Then you have to select the flow. Then you have to select the question. For example, if in this flow I have added a question like, what is your name? So whatever response the user will give, it will be stored in this attribute. For now, I am just selecting a random question, and then you have to click on the add attribute button and you will be done. So this option can help you in storing users' preferences, feedback collection, or dynamic follow-ups as well. So that was all about the explanation of map chatbot responses on the BotPenguin platform. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.